In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a message in Gmail that's already sent. Have you ever sent an email and immediately wished you could pull it back? Well, let me walk you through the steps to do just that using Gmail's Undo Send feature. First, open up Gmail on your browser. Now, it's worth noting that the only way to recall a sent message in Gmail is by using the Undo Send feature, which takes effect within a very short time frame immediately after you hit send. This means, if that window has passed, unfortunately, the email cannot be recalled. So let's dive into how you can make use of this useful feature. After you've sent an email, a message sent notification will appear at the bottom left of your screen. You need to act quickly when you see this notification. Look closely and you'll see an undo option next to it, highlighted in blue. By clicking on this undo text, you can essentially unsend your email. This will stop it from reaching the recipient, and the email will be returned to your drafts folder, giving you the chance to review and modify before you send it again. If you want to adjust the time limit for undo send, you can do so by customizing it in your Gmail settings. To get there, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Gmail window and select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Once in the settings, make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Undo Send section. Here, you can select a time limit of either 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Choosing a longer delay allows you more time to hit the undo button, so pick what feels comfortable for you. Finally, make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to ensure that your new settings are applied. This is crucial so that the next time you find yourself in a pinch and need those extra seconds to reconsider an email, you'll have them. And there you have it. With these steps, you can have a little extra peace of mind when sending emails from your Gmail account. Just remember, the key is to act fast when that message sent notification appears. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more confident and in control of your emailing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our helpful guides.